What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be looking at some clips from Hollywood to see if you can distinguish between what is real hair and what might be a wig or a hair system. Thought it'd be a fun way to see just how good or how bad some wigs are and if you can tell the difference. So let's jump into it. But first, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell just to stay updated. Back to it. Alright, so the first one we got here, Ryan Gosling, inside of The Place Between the Pines. Well, he doesn't have an exposed hairline, so it can be hard to tell. Look at that face tattoo, though. His hair is bleached. It's blonde. It's usually a different color than that, so this is a different look. It could be, right? Let me know your thoughts. What do you think? Comment below. Is it a hair system? Is it real hair? Is it real hair? Is it a hair system? What do you think? Well, looks pretty good, right? Alright. So what's your overall thought? What do you think it is? Well, that is Ryan Gosling's real hair. So he's not wearing a hair system there. He just has dyed it. He doesn't have an exposed hairline. So hopefully that didn't get you. Shall we check out another one? Alright, this one is coming from the movie Skyfall, and we have Daniel Craig as James Bond and Javier Bardem as Silva, the arch nemesis. Let's see. It's kind of far away. It's hard to see. He's got blonde hair. Let's skip forward. What do you guys think? He's got an exposed hairline. Is it real? Leave a comment below. Interesting. Alright. So leave a comment below, guys. What do you think? Does Javier Bardem have a wig on in this video? You ready for the answer? He does. He does in fact have a wig on in this, where he's playing this sexually ambiguous villain that is Silva. Now, I guess I could kind of tell now that I have more knowledge, but this kind of came as a shock to me. I've watched this probably 3 or 4 times, this movie, and I never knew. And that's really interesting, right? Because I think sometimes inside of this community, we know a lot more about it and we know what to look for a lot more than other people. But I had no idea. I had no idea. Alright. So this is the next one. This is Taylor Lautner from Twilight. What do you think? Is it real hair? Is it real hair? I don't know. It looks pretty real. I mean, that was a close-up of his hairline, which you don't think that they would do if it was real, right? Oh, early 2000s romances with werewolves and vampires and Kristen Stewart's face. The same expression as always. All right, guys, cast your final vote. Leave a comment below. Is his hair real or not? So in this screenshot right here, we get a close look at his hairline. And to me, it actually looks pretty dang real, right? Like there's some density that's decreasing away from the hairline. So it's not just like an instant rug on the top of his head. He's naturally got a ton of hair if you see him in other pictures. So could be his real hair. It could not be his real hair. Maybe he grew it out for the movie. I don't know. What do you think? Well, he actually did wear a wig for this one right here. So this is not his real hair. How are you guys doing so far? Are you guessing them right? You guessing them wrong? All right, on to the next one. So this one is Brad Pitt in Fury. What do you think it is? It's Brad Pitt's natural hair. He is gifted with like the best hair of all time, of ever. He's just got gray hair. He's got gray hair always, and it's annoying and it's frustrating. But whatever, it's cool, right? All right. The next one We got Jake Gyllenhaal inside of Southpaw. Let's take a look at this. This is the final scene of the movie. Jake Gyllenhaal is in the black shorts. What do you think? Is that buzz cut? Was that a hair system? Was it a wig? There's a definite difference in hair length on the top of his scalp from the side. Leave your comments below, guys. So what do you think it is? Is he wearing a hair system? Is he wearing a wig in this one right here? Or is that his real hair? Well, that is in fact his real hair. Jake Gyllenhaal is also known for having incredible hair, incredible locks. Watch Prince of Persia. It's incredible. The movie sucks, but his hair is great. All right, let's check out the next one. This one is one of my favorite movies of all time. Ooh, name the movie. So here we have Mark Hamill. That luscious locks of hair. It's not exposed hairline. What do you guys think? Is it real? Is it fake? Leave a comment below. Well, as far as Mark Hamill is concerned, he has all the hair in the world, and he probably always will have all the hair in the world. As we can see from his recent Star Wars movies, he's got so much hair, and he's just growing it out. All right, guys, let's go to the last one. This one is a little bit more recent, and it's a great TV show, so let's check it out. This is from Stranger Things, the character Billy, which is Dacre Montgomery, I believe. I don't know if I'm saying that name right. Take a look at that mullet. Take a look at it. It's exposed. And that mustache, oh my god. Let's see. What do you guys think? Is it real? Is it fake? Oh, let's look at that. That right there is a close-up of the hairline. What do you guys think? That's pretty good, man. I mean, that's super up close. And I can't tell, man. I remember watching this, and I mean, it looks like his real hair, right? That's actually a wig. That mullet is a wig. It's a wig, 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 which blows my mind because I'm just like getting shook with how many times in movies men are wearing wigs, and like these hairstyles are insane. Sometimes they're crazy and sometimes they're a little bit like weird. Like I probably wouldn't have a mullet, but I had no idea. I thought that was his real hair. I thought that was his real hair. So how'd you guys score? The reason I thought it would be fun to do this is just to take a look, like, is there a way to tell whether or not men are wearing wigs or hair systems, or it's actually harder to tell than we might think. I challenge you to go back and look through these again and see if you can actually spot it this time through now that you're looking for it. Can you really tell that they're wearing a hair system or a wig? I couldn't for most of them. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this new type of content style. If you like it, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. And if you got any questions, of course, leave them down below. All right? Take care.